A youth protest movement born out of a joke is now challenging India's education establishment on the streets of New Delhi. Supporters of the Cockroach Janta Party, a Gen Z political movement that began online, have camped at Jantar Mantar in the Indian capital, demanding the resignation of Federal Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. The protesters are defying police orders and braving New Delhi's intense summer heat. Many slept overnight on roads and pavements, while more supporters joined them on the second day amid a heavy police presence. The movement is led by Abhijit Dipke, a recent Boston University graduate who returned to India earlier this month to take the campaign from social media to the street. The anger he is tapping into is not new. India has one of the world's youngest populations, with nearly half of its 1.4 billion people under the age of 25. But millions of students say they are exhausted by a system where competitive exams can decide their future, only for papers to be leaked or results questioned. The immediate trigger is India's medical entrance exam, which was cancelled after reports that the question paper had been leaked. Nearly 1.7 million students retook the exam on Sunday, but many say their faith in the system has already been broken. One student at the protest said he had studied for a year only to feel that the process was no longer fair. Others said repeated exam scandals were pushing students into depression while the government offered no real accountability. The Cockroach Janta Party began after comments by India's Chief Justice, which critics said equated young people with cockroaches. Dipke responded online by asking, "What if all cockroaches came together?" The phrase went viral. A website followed, so did a massive Instagram following. What began as satire quickly became a platform for student anger. Since its first protest in New Delhi on June 6th, the movement has spread to Mumbai, Bengaluru, Nagpur, and other cities, drawing hundreds of young supporters. The protesters are demanding Pradhan's resignation, saying the Education Ministry has failed to protect the integrity of exams. Police have tried to move them from the protest site, including by restricting access to food and water, according to protesters. But many say they are not leaving. For millions of young Indians, Narendra Modi's rule is the only political era they have known. That makes this protest significant. The immediate trigger may have been a leaked exam paper, but the deeper challenge for India's government is restoring trust among students who increasingly believe the system is failing them.